The polycarbonate plastic headlight lens on your car or truck degrades from the moment it leaves the factory. Air pollution, airborne grit, and ultraviolet light take the shine off and then discolor the lens. After only a few short years, a haze develops across it. Fortunately, Lens Renewal Products boxed kits consisting of abrasives that grind off the yellowed layer and smooth out scratches are fast and easy to use. Some also contain a UV-resistant coating that you wipe or spray on. We performed 2 tests. One test was on cars that exhibited moderate lens degradation, but we also paid a visit to our favorite auto salvage recycling yard, Scarpotti's in Trenton, New Jersey, and asked to pick out 3 badly degraded headlight assemblies. They thought we were crazy, until we explained what we were working on. Number 1. Osram Sylvania. This kit left the test headlight clearer and newer looking than any of the others. Be warned, it was also the most time-consuming process. All you need is a clean towel and a hose for this one, everything else is provided in the box for you. The tested light showed a massive improvement over the cloudiness from the beginning, with the only downside being a long 4+ hour waiting period for the UV protection to take effect. Sylvania offers a lifetime warranty claiming that your lights will stay clear for the life of the car with its kit. Number 2. Rustoleum Wipe New. Rustoleum's kit is easy to use. Open the box and you find a small foam block, 1 3/4 inch on each side. One side of the block is green, the other is gray. Dunk the block into a cup of water and use the green side first. After thoroughly abrading the headlight's surface, switch to the gray side. When you're done with that, wipe the headlight clean and put on the pair of nitrile gloves included, you'll need them. Next, tear open the enclosed foil pouch and use the wipe-it cloth inside, a microfiber towelette saturated with the proprietary wipe-it sealant. The MSDS for the product says that it contains 1-chloro-4-trifluoromethyl, benzene, a powerful solvent with a variety of chemical manufacturing purposes, among them to make coatings. All we can say is that it gives off a strong and unpleasant odor, something like ammonia blended with hydrocarbon solvents. We advise that you either use this outside or put on a cartridge respirator. Wiping the surface with the towelette converts it from slightly hazy to shiny and clear. Number 3. 3M Headlight Restoration Kit. The 3M Headlight Restoration Kit is compact and nicely designed. Even after your headlights are done, you could keep it around to do them again or touch them up if needed. It contains masking tape, gloves, clear coat, and a foam block to which you mount abrasive discs. Protect the area around the lenses with the tape provided, clean them, then abrade them using the abrasive pads that attach to the block with hook and loop fastening. Wipe the lens clean and apply the clear coat. It does require a fair amount of work. Experience with using abrasives, either in wood or metal work, is also an advantage. Since the abrasives cut away the surface of the lens so thoroughly, the process is fairly dusty. We recommend you wear a dust mask. Number 4. Maguires TwoStep. We're pretty sure that anybody could use this kit and come out with great looking headlights. Our test headlight had a distinct oxidized band of plastic going across its top half that was easily stripped away by the abrasive cleaning solution applied with the plastic abrasive pad supplied with the kit. It comes with 2. The solution is a slightly gelled material almost the consistency of yogurt. Place a glob on the pad, and rub back and forth straight across the lens. Wipe off with a paper towel occasionally to check your progress. You're done when the headlight has an evenly fogged appearance. Then make 2 passes over the light with the spray lens coating included. The second pass overlaps the first. Repeat after the coating has dried in about 5 minutes. Our result was a clear and lustrous lens. Number 5. Mother's New Lens. The Mother's Headlight Restorer is the only one that required us to use attachments for a drill. While the process requires a lot less elbow grease, it didn't actually leave our headlight in any better condition than the others. You're paying for the heavy-duty attachments in this kit, and if that's the kind of thing you're into, then it might be worth the splurge. If you're confident using a drill, this is the easiest kit for getting solid results, even if those results didn't quite match the top performer. The new lens headlight renewal polishing tool is washable and reusable. The included Power Plastic 4 Lights liquid polish restores clarity, leaving a tough, protective, oxidation-inhibiting polymer layer to guard against future degradation from the elements. And there's enough polish to restore and routinely maintain all of your vehicle's headlights for years to come.